Hello, everyone. This is Miss Roberts again, back with the Big 6 lesson conclusion. So let's go ahead and review the purpose of the lesson. So this was supposed to allow you to learn the essential framework of the Big 6 research method and to help you develop inquiry and research skills to be applied to your research project. Now, I've additionally provided you a handout that goes over different things regarding the Big 6 method. So the handout starts out with a Big 6 infographic, which provides a brief overview of the Big 6 stages. Below that, you will find 5 links to 5 different resources to help you work your way through those stages. So the first link is to a web page which provides a more extensive overview of the Big 6 process, which outlines tasks and questions for each stage. Then I've provided a link to an ebook chapter, which will help you identify your information need. Understanding search strategies is an important task in the Big 6, so I've linked a web page that provides tips on how to upgrade your own search strategies. Following that is a PDF, which outlines the who, what, when, where, and why of website evaluation, which is useful when trying to find the best sources to use. Once you have your sources, you will then need to find the information within the source. So I've linked a video that provides tips on active reading strategies for finding information within your text sources. Now, on to the Big 6. The Big 6 is separated into 6 steps. Step 1 is task definition. It is where you identify the problem and identify the information you need. So, when you're doing this step, consider the assignment and the rubric that your teacher provided. What are the expectations you need to meet? What information do you need to complete the project? Step 2 is information seeking strategies. This is where you determine all possible sources and select the best sources for you to use. When you're doing this step, brainstorm what sources you could use to gather information. Do you want to use books, web pages, videos? Then narrow your search by evaluating your sources. Is it a good source to use? Step 3 is location and access. This is where you locate the sources and find information within those sources. So, locate and gather your sources. If you choose a book, find the book. Then, find the information. Look for indexes and skim for chapter or section titles to find that information you're looking for. Step 4 is use of information. This is where you engage and extract relevant information. To engage with the info is to read whatever text you might have decided to use, watch whatever video you might have decided to use, or listen to whatever audio you decided to use for your sources. Use active reading skills and pull out only the information you need for your problem. Step 5 is synthesis. This is where you organize information from multiple sources and present the information. So be sure to use more than one source when researching. Once you have your information, then you got to use it. So use this information presenting it in your assignment. Make sure you're following the rubric as you do this. Step 6 is evaluation. This is where you judge the product and judge the process. Consider the rubric for your assignment. Did you feel like your project followed the rubric? Then also consider how you gathered the information. Was finding that information difficult? What are changes you can make to the process to make it easier for you? So, in conclusion, during this lesson, you should have taken the pre-assessment, watched the videos, and viewed the handout. Completing this lesson should provide you the information and skills needed to use the Big 6 method for your research project. Thank you.